Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To efficiently design a 10,000 square feet warehouse for maximum storage, begin by mapping out your inventory types and volume. Utilize vertical storage solutions like multi-level shelving systems to maximize space. Consider narrow aisle racking to increase storage density. And invest in material handling equipment that operates well in tight spaces. Optimize the layout for flow efficiency, ensuring clear paths for picking and restocking. Incorporate flexible storage areas for fluctuating inventory levels. Lastly, use a warehouse management system, WMS, to monitor inventory in real time, maximizing storage utilization and operational efficiency.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.